Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of Sensationnel's new wig drops, and this is Vice Unit 12. I got this wig in the color Headband Highlight Copper /1, and I did receive this wig from Ebonyline.com. So here is the initial look of the wig fresh out of the package. It does come as a T-part wig, middle part, so you don't have much space to do like a side part unless you physically take the wig and shift it to the side. The wig did come pre-plucked, and when it comes to the length of the wig, it is definitely on the longer side. So first things first, I like to go in and cut the ear tabs on each side of the wig so that the wig can just properly sit on my head. Now I'm going in and cutting my lace into 3 sections. I like to do this so I can just focus on each section one by one. I love using the even firm hold to lay down my synthetic lace wigs. It just keeps it lasting all day. It's just such a strong hold. When it comes to laying down that lace, make sure you lay the lace down right on top of where you applied that adhesive spray. Make sure you do not see any more residue of that spray once you lay that lace down. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm also going to go in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. And I love doing this process. I love doing this method just to give that lace that extra melt and security. And I do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is time to cut that lace off, and I love cutting in a zigzag motion as opposed to just cutting straight across. I feel like this method just makes the lace look more natural. So when there's areas that did not fully lay down, I go back in with my even adhesive spray and I just glue back down the areas that are lifting up. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15. And this is really just going to tie the wig together and make it look even more natural. It blends so well with my skin tone and just makes the lace look so much more realistic. to the baby hairs, I only pull out a thin layer of baby hairs because I don't really want to go for that dramatic look. I'd rather go for like a soft, natural feathered look. Although the lace already came pre-plucked, I did decide to go in and just pluck the hairline a little bit more for that more natural look. And I feel like it just looks so much better when you just go in and just pre-pluck certain wigs. So just a few details about this wig. When it comes to the texture of this wig, it does have a slight kinky texture to it. And as far as the shedding and the tangling of this wig, just know that this wig is pretty long, so the longer you wear it, it is going to have some tangles and shedding to it. And that's normal for a synthetic wig. There are ways where you can maintain a synthetic wig for it to last longer, and I'll leave my video link above. However, it's like I said, it's a long wig. Initially, when I was brushing this wig out, I did get some tangles towards the bottom and it did shed. So when I plucked my hairline, it just made the lace just a little lighter. So I went back in with the cream foundation and just making it look a little bit more realistic. So I just started using the skinny flat iron for my synthetic wig edges. And at first I didn't know if it would make a big difference, but it makes a complete difference when it comes to the baby hairs. It just gives it that fluffy look, the same way it does for the human wigs. It does the same thing for the synthetic wigs, so I'm glad I started doing this. With the Got To Be gel and the black tube to lay down my edges. This is the only product I use to lay down my edges, and I know a lot of people just want to make sure that their edges stay on throughout the entire day. So if you do want that extra security and hold, I advise you to just go in with a Got To Be spray, free spray, whatever free spray you have, and just spray that on top of your edges once you are finished styling them, and make sure you blow dry it to keep it in place. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Now I am going in and brushing out the hair and I'm just trying to figure out the actual like style and pattern of the wig. And I see that the wig is layered, and the part that is layered is like slightly curled. So I'm not trying to brush that part, that section too much, because I don't want to lose the curl pattern. But the parts of the hair that isn't layered is just straight, and I really didn't mind just brushing through that part. Now I'm just going straight in with my hot comb, no products. I did not go in with my wax stick. And for one, I just didn't feel like I really needed the wax stick. And then two, I just feel like when I use product on like colored synthetic wigs, sometimes it'll change the color of the wig. So I just decided not to use it. However, if you personally feel like the wig is just not as flat as it could get, by all means go in with the wax stick. Maybe not use too much product, but go in with the wax stick and definitely lay it down like that. I do want to say that this wig is more on the big hair friendly side. I'm typically a size medium and up in my wig caps, so I feel like it is because it did fit my head pretty comfortably. I didn't have any problems like tugging the wig forward or back or anything to make it adjust and fit correctly on my head. So here's the final results of this wig. Honestly, y'all, I'm speechless. Like, at first I was a bit nervous because I wasn't sure how the two colors would look, to be honest. But it's really giving off this full-time autumn look, and I'm really here for it. Like, I really do like the way this wig came out. So here's how the bottom of the wig look. I wanted to cut it so bad. Like, I feel like it just would look better cut in like a shorter length, but I just wanted y'all to see like the entire real authentic look of the wig. Overall, I was definitely feeling this color combo, even the style of the wig with the curls in the front. It was giving like wand curls and then like the straight. I would also love to see this wig without the black streaks and just have it as a straight copper or ginger wig. I feel like that would look so cute, and it's not a lot of synthetic wigs that's just a ginger or copper color.